guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am just doing a simple, pretty, everyday makeup routine, makeup look. I'm using my Luxe Azza eyeshadow sticks just to create like a slight ombre look on the eyes. Super pretty, subtle, perfect for deep set eyes, really quick and easy. So if you guys would like to see how I created this makeup look, then just keep watching. So for my face, I just used my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation stick and the Real Techniques buffing brush, I think that is. No, contour brush. And I just kind of took a little bit of product and then just applied it to the skin like this. It gives just a nice light sheer finish, and you can kind of just add makeup where you feel like you need a little bit more, and then where you feel like you need less, just kind of feather it out. I take my Makeup by Mario contour stick, and I have the shade medium, and as well I'm going to go in with a dome brush, just pat it on the product so you're not picking up too much, and just kind of start buffing that onto my cheekbones. Just patting and stippling just gives you a nice light finish. Today I'm going to use my Essence concealer, and I have this in the shade light medium. I really like this. It is lightweight. It blends out really nicely. It doesn't settle into any lines, and it's very affordable. What, Gilbert? What did you say? Just adding a little bit more highlight today. Just gonna buff it from the inner corner to the outer corner, and I feel like this has a little bit of like it looks more hydrating on the skin, which is nice. For my bronzer, I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl So Flushed True Blend in the shade Sunset Glitz. This is more of a bronzer with warmer undertone. There's some iridescence in it, so just want a little bit of more of a glowy bronze today. You can see that instantly on the cheeks, that this is going to give you more of a glow. And I'm trying to go right up on the cheekbones, right on the apples of the cheeks. So for my eyes, I'm going to use my Luxe Azza eyeshadow sticks again. This time I'm just going to go in with the neutral tones because I just want to do a neutral look today. So I'm going to kind of do an ombre effect on the eye. I think this is perfect for deep set eyes because we're going to be keeping that darkness on the outer corner and then bringing the lightness in. So I'm going to start off with dark olive first, which is the dark brown in the palette, and I'm just gonna go on the outer corner like that. This will also create a lifted effect on the eyes. So placing that in the outer corner on a diagonal. Blend it out with the little brush on the end. I am going to pull my eye taut like I did in my previous video. So if you haven't seen that, check that one out right before this one. Just been trying to put out a lot of content before the school year starts because I know that I'm not gonna have as much time, and just while the creative juices are flowing, just keep putting out content. So you can see with the aging eye, you just have the skin that kind of wants to go just all around everywhere. So it kind of helps just to bring that lid up a bit. And you're not pulling too hard. You don't want to be tugging and pulling on your eye, but I don't think there's anything wrong with just lifting it a little bit. These are very buildable cream shadows, so I just like to go in, just like to layer them slowly. So just go in. You could use your finger up on your brow bone. It's probably a little easier, to be honest. Just like to go in and layer them. They layer really nicely. Just to build up the color gradually. Next, I'm going to go in with Bone Brown right beside the darker tone, and just again going right up. Beside it. And I'll probably just blend this with my finger, honestly, because that just seems to be the way these blend out a little nicer, just with your finger. And like, then how easy is that? You don't even need brushes. I'm going to take the brightest shade, which is Elf Alpha. This has a slight bit of glitter and iridescence in it, and I'm going to just put it in the inner corner. All right, that's looking really pretty on the eyes. It's a really pretty inner corner color to use. Now I'm just gonna take a black eyeliner and just go along my lash line. I'm going to take this little rectangular dome brush from e.l.f. and just buff out the eyeliner while holding my skin, holding my eye out just a little bit. Just wanted a little bit more depth along the lash line. All right, I just put on some mascara, and this is the final look, just an easy, simple, pretty, everyday makeup look using some eyeshadow sticks just to create a subtle ombre look on the eyes for deep set eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.